Hey guys, you're probably wondering why I have fishing stuff in a bathtub. I'm going to show you how to get everything rigged up, or most of it, or anything. And I'm going to show you what baits to use. So let's get on with it. So here we have a crankbait repair kit. And so you can repair stuff with it, take off these. But when I'm getting these, to show you guys, we don't have any crankbait, but we do have these treble hooks. So let me grab one of these. You don't need a big one, you can really grab any one. And so how you would do this is kind of put it down the middle or whatever, really, like that. Then when they come, they'll bite that right on that treble hook. Personally, I don't use treble hooks. If you use a bass hook, this is what I use. About 15 feet or whatever, I don't really know. So if you can't see right here, so this hook, you can see it has a barb on it. That's the thing that's coming out. So the barb right there. Okay, and then put it right through the head. Just like so. So right there. Then you're gonna put it more deep into there till it kind of gets around. And yes, this and then that white thing I showed you is what they're biting. Something so like the tail like this. So we have it like that, so how it really should be. But if you're fishing where there's plants like we do, if you don't sense the fish are biting that and everything, put it like this. Good night, Mom. So that was my mom. So it's almost time for bed, apparently. So halfway up there, so you can touch it all day and not get hooked. So that's one. And then 2 is on that hook. This hook, where's my bait? Jesus, okay, here. Okay, so usually you would just put it through and come out like somewhere about right here, that. But that's not what we're gonna do. Same thing we did with this green little thing. So I put it through the head so you come out right here halfway, so the fish will bite it. That's where like toothpasting kind of stuff goes, like kind of different stuff. So you would go backwards, so when you twist it and everything, it will come back. So it would look like. So same thing we did with this, come out halfway, push it, turn it around, put it halfway up, so that's not all the way sticking out, but yes, it is out, so the fish will bite it. So you could touch it all day too. Whoa. So that's everything probably you need to do. Remember, never stop, keep fishing, make videos. That's what you do.